My name's Kieron. I'm from Leicester, and I'm an operations manager at a clothing wholesaler.
Right, awesome. What have you been doing here this week?
So, been learning the ins and outs of the different kind of methods between rent to rents, deal sourcing, and how to research it and find out if it's a good deal. And it's been very informative, been very helpful. Uh, Mentors have been great as well, so that's been good
What's
help
the
as well.
room like? What's the energy like?
Very good energy, very good energy. A lot of motivated people, a lot of people from different backgrounds at different stages throughout their journey, so that's very helpful as well.
Nice. And what's it like having access to sort of mentors that you can come out and speak to at any moment?
It's been amazing because anything that I'm not sure of in there, and there's not too much time for all of us to have questions because there's a lot of people. So to have the mentors outside available for us, them kind of questions that we don't want, might not be confident enough to ask, we can ask them, and they make us feel really comfortable.
Nice. And what would you, like someone who's looking to get into property, do you think this is a good environment for them to be in?
Most definitely. Like I said, because there's everybody from different stages, that's what's very refreshing because you see people that are where you want to be, but then there's also people that are midway there. So you can ask them, how did you start? How are you planning to get to where the people that are at the level where we all want to be? And then you can also speak to the people where you are, where you want to be, and get information from them as well.